lessons. Why is life so cruel? People calling me reckless. What would they say about you? Left all of these questions when you left too soon. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. I'm running too wild without you. Now I'm fading to black, a knife in the back. Left me alone, nowhere to go. Tell me the reason I don't believe it. Don't know where to lay the blame. Trying to be so strong, look at me choke on words I never got to say. All the moments that I wish I could show you. Oh, I hope I made you proud even though you'll never see my flowers bloom, 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 bloom. I wanna make a sad song into your legacy, using the same four chords and stock melodies. The only way I know how to say what you meant to me is swallow the pain. I'm getting drunk on a memory, counting my blessings, 'cause the world keeps going. So I'm learning these lessons I can't take anymore. Tell me the reason I don't believe it. Don't know where to lay the blame. Trying to be so strong, look at me choke on words I never got to say. All the moments that I wish I could show you. Oh, I hope I made you proud even though you'll never see my flowers. A heart broken too. It's sad but it's true. I'm learning to